Hi guys, my name is David Luchau. So today I want to share with you guys how you can easily set up a compressor by looking at actually a wave file and just checking out the dynamic range of the wave file. So I'm actually using Cubase 10 right now. So let's quickly go to the file. So I want to really control the dynamics of this kick and snare. You see right here. Where can I put my threshold? How can I set this up? The kick is somewhere around -18 roughly, and the snare is around -8.5. all right, so I like this compressor from Waves R-Comp. I know that my kick is at -18, but I really want to control the snare, so I know it's at -8.5, so I'm going to go here and say 8.5 -8.5, going for a pretty hard ratio. And attack release, okay, for now I'm just going to leave it that way, or you know what, let's smash it and then let's come back. All right, now I see that it's kind of smashing that snare right in and tucking it in beautifully. So now I need to open up the attack and see exactly where I want to place it. Okay, that sounds about right. So maybe the release as well, I need to check on that. Bypass this. Good, I'm going to go with 0.8 because that's how much I'm losing, and let's see how that sounds. Okay, that's sounding not too bad. Before, with compression. Okay, that's a very subtle difference, but that's exactly what I want, so it sounds good. All right, so I hope that was helpful, and see you guys in the next video.